Hello everyone, welcome back to my AI/ML series. Myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. In this video, we will build a powerful language translation system using transformer model. Okay, this is a practical example of natural language processing or NLP, and more specifically neural machine translation, also known as NMT. Okay, and here we are using Meta AI's pre-trained model NLLB-200 Distilled 600M, which is multilingual transformer based model. Okay, so let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcoin. Today we will build a language translation system using transformer model. Okay, and here we will use Meta AI's pre-trained model NLLB-200 Distilled 600M, which is multilingual transformer based model. Okay, and here it is used to translate English sentence to Bengali sentence. Okay, so now at first we should know what is neural machine translation. Neural machine translation, also known as NMT, is a deep learning technique that automatically translates text from one language to another. Okay, example, suppose in English sentence is concerned, I love artificial intelligence. So in Bengali it should like that, Ami krittim buddhimattake bhalobashi, right? So applications for neural machine translation like Google Translate, multilingual chatbots, language learning apps, document translation. Okay, so modern translation systems are powered by transformer models. Okay, now talk about the transformer model and NLLB. NLLB, the full form is no language left behind, developed by the Meta AI, and model used NLLB-200 Distilled 600M, means this pre-trained model is already trained by 200 different languages worldwide, right? Features like supports 200 languages, high quality translations, pre-trained model, encoder decoder transformer architecture. Example, like in our problem is concerned, the model will translate from English sentence to Bengali sentence, right? So by the end of this video, we will understand how transformer models can automatically translate text from one language to another, like English to Bengali, right? So let's move to the Google Colab and build our own AI powered translator step by step, right? So now I'm just within my Google Colab workspace and the code is already written. So at first the part 1 or the step 1 is concerned, they install the dependencies. So at first install the dependencies if not already installed. So for our case, this is not by default installed within the Google Colab, so that's why need to install this library from Python is concerned. So install the transformer libraries for loading pre-trained NLP models and sentence piece for tokenization support used by NLLB models, right? So just write in that way, exclamation pip install transformers and sentence piece, right? Now the part 2 is that load the model and the tokenizer. So at first we import the warnings. Why? Because just suppress the warning, so that's why just write in that way, warning dot filter warning and ignore as an argument, right? Just import the auto tokenizer and auto model for sequent to sequent LM from the transformer library is concerned, and then we load the model. So load model and tokenizer. So here we are using Meta AI's pre-trained model, the NLLB-200 Distilled 600M. Okay, so that's why we use this model name here, and then we use in that way auto tokenizer dot from underscore pre-trained the model underscore name, and also send another argument use underscore fast equal to false. Okay, for force slow tokenizer. Okay, and then we just write in that way model equal to auto model for sequence to sequence lm dot from pretrained, okay, and send the argument as a model underscore name. And then the language codes for NLLB, source language is English, that's why I use eng underscore latn, and target means convert or translate into Bengali, so that's why you just write bn underscore bng, okay, and then set the tokenizer source language, okay. Now the part 3, perform the translation. So we take the input in that way, just write as a prompt, enter a sentence in English, and now the tokenize the input text, and then get the target language ID for the Bengali, and then generate the translations, and after that decode and display the translations, means whatever the English sentence we are given as an input, it should translate into Bengali sentence, okay. Now we just run the code one after another. So at first we just press this button for install all the dependencies required for our language translation code is concerned, okay. So it takes some time to install the transformers and sentence piece, these libraries from Python is concerned. So it's just already done, everything near about done, so it's just going on. So it's successfully installed, so that's why given this green tick. Now part 2, again run it. So load model and the tokenizer is concerned, it takes some time. So it's just see whatever the requirement is, just download for our environment is concerned, and after that we can run for the translation is concerned from English to Bengali sentence, okay. So just see near about the size of this particular file, 2.46 GB. So size is somehow huge because the is a pre-trained model developed by the Meta AI is concerned. So just load the weights and model other different file is concerned. So now it's completed, it's been successfully run the code. Now we go for the part 3, means now we perform the translations. Just click on this button. So now enter a sentence in English. Suppose we write in that way, I love AI, and press enter. So just see, it will translate this English sentence to in Bengali. Just write ami AI ke bhalobashi, okay, and same way again run it. So just write what is your name, give a question mark, press enter. Just see what will be the Bengali sentence for the translation is concerned, apnar naam ki, okay, means whatever the English sentence we are given for input is concerned, it translate into Bengali. Again if you go for another sentence for English is concerned, do you know me, just checked apni ki amake chenen. So in that way the translation is going on from English sentence to Bengali sentence using Meta AI's pre-trained model NLLB-200 Distilled 600M, right? So I hope you have understood how transformer model can perform language translation using natural language processing and natural machine translation techniques. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Argument for more AIML videos. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.